Another great resource as the new school year starts is Vegas PBS's Ready to Learn program, which offers educational workshops, community events, and a lot of other services. Here to tell us more is Jessica Russell, Ready to Learn coordinator. Jessica, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for having me here.
When people think of Vegas PBS, they think of the shows that they love, but there's a lot of community outreach that this station, including yourself, take part in. One of those programs is the Ready to Learn program. Give us kind of a scene setter on what that is.
Definitely. Well, we work with children and families in the community to really maximize the educational value of the television programs, particularly the PBS Kids programs.
Okay, so when you say that, what does that mean? Is this the way, so I asked you about the programs, the popular ones for kids, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Arthur, Odd Squad. So those kind of programs, what do you tell parents to do with those programs?
So we share with families that children will learn a lot from our PBS Kids programs just by watching them. But there are things that they can do before and after watching with their children that will really help the children remember exactly what they learned from that show. So for instance, we may talk about different books that go along with the topic that they watched on TV, or we may suggest some hands-on activities that they can do after watching a particular show.
Okay, so obviously these are educational programs in the first place, but instead of it being kind of one way, it's making it more interactive as well, right?
Definitely,
right?
Because we learn that children learn more from our PBS Kids programs when they're interacting with the TV programs and having conversations with their families around the subject matter.
Now, you are piloting a family collaborative learning project. This sounds interesting, targeting specific schools throughout the Valley. Tell me about that. How does it work?
Well, we received a grant through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting to pilot this throughout the community. So instead of doing just one family engagement with families about a topic, we're doing 4 family engagement workshops with families around a particular topic. And right now it's coding, because we have a wonderful new free app called PBS Kids Scratch Junior. So we're walking families through the process on how to learn how to code. And for our youngest learners, actually, kindergarten through 2nd grade.
Wow. So this is over, I think you said it's over 4 weeks, 2-hour sessions. There's things for kids and then parents. And you're teaching skills to both so that when they step away from this, they can go home and try it out themselves.
Exactly. So we teach the families, the parents, how to code and how to use this app so that when we bring the children back with them, the parents are the teachers of this app.
There's so much talk about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. There are also programs that address that as well, right?
Yeah.
On this station.
One of our most popular is Odd Squad. It's a live action show where children are Odd Squad agents and they're trying to correct whatever weird thing is happening in the community through math and problem solving skills. And we actually have a lot of curriculum for after school that we do with certain sites that involve Odd Squad as well.
It sounds like there are a lot of resources, a lot of programs that are available to parents that will help their children learn. Where do people need to go to make sure that they're aware of all that you have?
Well, we do have a website that lists all the different kinds of outreach that we do. That's at vegaspbs.org/RTL. That's for Ready to Learn.
Okay, and let's go back to the Family Collaborative Learning Project. You're working with some schools, but if you're not in one of those schools at the moment, more are coming in the future. How would people find out about that?
Oh, that's a very good question. Right now we're working with the Clark County School District FACES department to really identify the different schools. So if a particular school is selected, there will be a liaison at that school through FACES that notifies the entire school population that this opportunity is available for them.
Right, and so if they'd like to learn about it, probably start with the school first.
Exactly,
and find out
contact
about
the
it.
school.
Jessica, it sounds like some great stuff is happening. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
You bet.